Hello there, folks. Welcome to the weekly Roundup. This is episode 2. My name is Punchy, for all of you who don't know me, and this is my show where I talk you through everything that went down at Frapzilla HQ during the week. This is from the week commencing the 10th of April. If you've seen me before, you're probably a Discord regular. You're probably one of those people who's kind of weird and eats bees and stuff. But yeah, this is my show. Now, spring is in the air, the grass is green, the leaves are growing, the flowers are blooming. We've got lambs skipping and chicks chirping and bunnies giving out eggs. Happy Easter, by the way, if you celebrate. And if you don't celebrate and you just use today as an excuse to eat chocolate, then props to ya. Hope you had a nice day. Hope you feel sick by now for eating so much. Yeah. I'm gonna talk you through everything that's gone down this week. So let's take a look. The Zhao production, the Zhao situation from the past week. So as you know, last week, or you may know if you're on the Discord, Sky and Midnight was already taken care of. We then were on Raspberry and Orange. Those are also done. And now we're on Smoky and Smoky Lavender and Rain Cloud. Or Stormy, I think it's called. Stormy, that's the one. We're on those right now. They're just finishing off. By the time this video goes up, they're probably done. Maybe the day after they'll be finished. And then everything gets cured and it gets packed into those little tissue things with their certificate things. And then the Crystal Dragons will be printing whilst that's all being taken care of, and then everything will be shipped. So by the end of next week, we would have started shipping already, which is very exciting. We have already done the wig kits. They need to be put into their little bag things, but they've all been dyed. The fiber is ready. It's very pretty. Whoever got the wig kits for this month, really nice. I like them a lot. And then, you know what time it is, guys. Ember. My beautiful, beautiful daffodil, my tulip, my turtle dove, my beautiful, beautiful Ember, and Sprout. They will start being produced, I would say towards the end of next week. We gotta mix the colors and everything, gotta get the tests done. We're gonna do a little bit more testing this time to make sure that there is no problems with anything. So you're just gonna have to hang on a tiny bit before we start seeing those. But by the time I do my next show, we should already start seeing them. We should have already started seeing them. Sorry, when I'm excited, I can't get my words out right. So then, of course, you guys are waiting for the moon update. We currently don't have a moon update this week, but I do know that the province next door had their restrictions lifted, so hopefully the caster isn't far behind and we're going to start seeing the moons be shipped to us. Really excited about that. Really excited, actually. Aside from that, we've actually started doing some sculpting and some preparations for the next lines. So I hope that you guys will be excited for those. We're looking at the next lot of moons. We're looking at the junior body. We've been working on that. We have been working on the first editions of the blossoms, which are bigger, resized cast blooms, and taking a look at who might get into that first lineup. We already showed those last year in January or February sometime. It was a real big snowdrop. I think you can still see her on the Instagram. The Frapzilla Instagram. She's real cute, but the head was kind of a heckin' melon, you know? So we're just gonna resize that head a little bit smaller, and those are gonna be sent off for casting. Now, we would love to hear your opinions. You feel free to leave it in the description, or send us a DM, or even just pitch in on the Discord. That would be great too. At the moment, I know that Fee is very particular about having Cyril's face available because that's her favorite. So you're probably going to see Cyril's face at the very least. That's one that I can confirm. And I think Ember, my love, my darling, my everything. We're probably gonna see Ember as well. We're not sure if they're gonna be the original dolls but resized, or if there's gonna be like a bit of a mix and match element where you could maybe pick a face, pick a body type. I'm not sure how many there's gonna be yet, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. The junior body needs a bit more work. He was having problems trying to make the faces match the body because they're a bit young and the body was a bit mature, so the Discord really helped her out there, trying to make it a little bit younger and more fitting of the face. Those guys will be ready soon, and also the doll version of myself, which, you know, I'm really excited about, of course. What else do we have to report this week? I think that's probably mostly it. There's not a whole lot going on at the moment, just trying to get everything ready to send out. If you didn't see my sister's video earlier on in the week about using alcohol inks on blooms, that's really worth a watch. You should watch that one. And I do know that there is the pomelo video, which is probably going up around the same time as this one, so you'll have that, which is how to string pomelo, and also like a seedling overview. So I hope that you will also like that. At the moment, I don't have much to say, so I think we're gonna cut it short there. I hope that you have enjoyed this quick update. I will see you same time, same place next week for the week commencing the 18th of April. So, have a good one, stay safe out there, and I hope the Easter Bunny brings you a lot of eggs. Happy Easter if you're celebrating.